Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to your Bitcoin show. Well, today is January 14th, 2020. It's a Tuesday. And you know what? Bitcoin's on the move. Let's get the chart started right here and take a look at what's going on. We're looking at a price of Bitcoin at 87.7216 right now. It's up over 7% on the day so far. All the coins are up. It's just like I told you guys. Bitcoin is the main pole in the circus tent. And this circus is going up right now again. It's starting to go up. But I'm not so sure we're out of the woods just yet. You know? There's a certain feeling out there when the Bitcoin and crypto mania really starts. There's a certain feeling to it. A certain feeling it has, you know? And I don't quite get that feeling just yet. A little bit tentative just yet, even though we've seen some nice price increases in the past day, you know. So we're looking at a market cap of 238.9 billion. Let me refresh the page. 239 billion. So it's going up as we speak right now. Let's take a look at some articles. Bitcoin reaches its highest price in more than 2 months. Bitcoin prices rallied today, reaching their highest, loftiest value since mid-November as the broader market pushed higher. Digital currency climbed $8,848 at roughly 1:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The cryptocurrency was up 3.6% on the day and was trading at its highest level since November 12th. Additional CoinDesk figures reveal. Let's take a look at this next article. Oh, they want payola. Aren't they? Always daggering for money, you know? Let me try refreshing the page, see if that helps. Always say no thanks to everything. Bitcoin continues to run higher after breaking through resistance. Bitcoin jumped to a 2.5-month high on Tuesday. It sounds like you're reading the same page. They recirculate the news, you know. Anyway, Bitcoin's going higher. Let's see what this says. XRP, Ripple. Crypto traders see XRP reaching the $1 price mark in January. Well, you know, I'm not a real big fan of XRP, but I could see it reaching 50 cents. Not this month though. Possibly when Bitcoin starts to take off, you know. I could see it reaching 50 cents as when Bitcoin gets up to like 15, 16,000 again. I could see XRP reaching 50 cents once again. It was almost up to 50 cents a while ago, you know, when Bitcoin was up near its peak. Bitcoin goes up, XRP will probably go up too. But I'm not a real big fan of XRP, and I'll go over the reasons why. One of the things is the amount of XRP that they're holding, holding back. The creators are holding back a tremendous amount of them, you know, and it's more of a centralized coin. I'm not really too much into centralized coins. So, anyway, what's going on right now with Bitcoin SV? Its price has been skyrocketing 100%. It's went up like 100% in the last day or two. It's skyrocketing, this Bitcoin SV. Let's just read a little bit of this here. It says, according to CoinStats data, Bitcoin SV price reached an all-new time high of $324 after surging by more than 100% in the last 24 hours. As of now, it's the 5th biggest cryptocurrency by market cap after surpassing Tether USDT. Bitcoin SV explodes higher by more than 100%. The BSV fork was created as a result of bitter civil war in the Bitcoin Cash community back in November of 2018. The coin gained notoriety due to its numerous scandals that involved its number one backer, Craig Wright. who claims to be the real Satoshi Nakamoto. BSV got delisted from some exchanges in 2019, including Binance and Kraken, due to numerous legal threats of the N-Chain chief. BSV started 2020 on a high note by smashing its previous all-time high of $239 on January 14th. However, after its enormous growth over the last week, the cryptocurrency needs to surge by 270% more in order to reach Wright's 2019 target of $1,200. Bitcoin Cash is standing its ground. In spite of its miraculous performance, BSV is yet to flip its rival fork, Bitcoin Cash, which was also up by more than 30% on the day. BSV would need to add more than 400 minimum to its market cap in order to make history happen. However, the fact that both of these cryptocurrencies are currently trading neck and neck is already historic. Who is behind this massive growth, it says? An outside observer who is not familiar with the murky world of altcoins will be caught aghast by such massive gains. Even seasoned traders and analysts are also trying to wrap their heads around BSV's gargantuan moves. One analyst explains that the recent price jump was driven exclusively by Asian traders. Well, you know what? I remember a while ago, there was a massive gain in price for Bitcoin Cash by Asian traders. They went crazy over it. I think it went up to like $2,500 or something for every Bitcoin Cash. It went up tremendously high by Asian traders. So Asian traders are behind this again. It says Western cryptocurrency exchanges are refusing to touch it. The presumed existence of the third Tulip Trust might also be a key factor behind BSV's rally. On February 3rd, Wright will have to tell the judge whether a mysterious bonded courier delivered his private keys. Anyway, this is a tale of intrigue, with Craig Wright and this whole thing that's going on. I haven't stayed real deep into it, to really know what's going on with it, but I tend to think he's probably not Satoshi Nakamoto. I think the best candidate for the real Satoshi Nakamoto is Alan Greenspan. That's my opinion on it. And if he wasn't in on it, maybe he was part of the team. I think it was actually probably a team of computer scientists. But nobody's ever found the real Satoshi Nakamoto. I don't think anybody's ever going to, tell you the truth. The thing is whoever he is, he's mined over 1 million Bitcoins he mined. So, Bitcoin is a pre-mined coin then, but because it's got first mover advantage, I don't think anybody out there really cares. And in the future, when Bitcoin goes to these massively high prices it's probably going to go to, when capital all starts to pour into it as a safe haven asset, because they're really a safe haven asset for the modern world. Now, I know gold and silver are safe haven assets, but the way they function, they function with an old world view in mind, the way things used to be back before we had the internet. That's how they function. In other words, they're real and you can hold them in your hand. Now, some people just love that, but people that are into internet trading or moving things around on the internet, they want something that they can push a button and send back and forth on the internet. Well, they've done that. They've taken gold and silver and they've made future contracts that you can trade that way across the internet. That's only affected the price of gold and silver extremely negatively. But now, with Bitcoin, it's not a futures contract. You can send Bitcoin across the internet. It fits in more with the modern world. Anyway, listen, thank you guys for listening to this show. Like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. And we'll catch you guys in the very next show. Bye-bye.